So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment entrepreneurship week 4th assignment 4th. So, the first question is in which of the following industries public policy government policy is triggering technology led disruption. So, these are the option textile industry, sugar industry, jewelry industry, automobile industry. So, the answer of our first question is D, automobile industry. Now, the second question is compute software gets typically commercialized as. So these are the option only B2B, only B2C, both B2B and B2C, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question 2, commercialization B2B versus B2C. Startups in the digital space, for example, primarily have two products market options of consumer internet companies or business internet companies B2C and B2B. So the answer of our second question is C, both B2B and B2C. Now the third question is which of the following is a B2C company? So these are the option delivery in mobile even without profit Flipkart Exotel. So let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, top revenue earning startups B2C companies. So these are the companies and top one is Flipkart. So the answer of our question third is Flipkart C. Now, the fourth question is startups become unicorns with their focus on. So, these are the options stable profits even at low scale, rapid revenue growth, and high market share, high pricing, none of the above. So, the answer of our fourth question is B, rapid revenue growth and high market share. Now, the fifth question is successful commercialization for a startup rest on. So, these are the options demand creation, demand fulfillment, customer loyalty, all of the above. So, let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, three fundamental facets of market growth. So, these are the fundamental attract, retain, expand. So, the answer of our fifth question is D, all of the above. Now, the sixth question is many of the Indian unicorns are based on. So, these are the option contract manufacturer, contract research, digital business model, franchising, overseas right. So, let's check the answer of our sixth question. So, question six, the many successful Indian startups are consumer internet companies which could uses user in digitally mediated mediated fundamental transformation in how business are conducted. Almost all of them focus on converting stabilizing marketplace into digital marketplace. So the answer of our sixth question is C, digital business model. Now the seventh question is what is not common between Amazon.com and Flipkart. So these are the options. Both started with online book selling in the respective starting jurisdictions. Both are new in India as private companies. Both now create to e-commerce in India. None of the above. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Both are now in India as private companies. Now eighth question is Just Dial brought digital innovation to its own model of. So these are the option air traveling booking, classified listening, rail travel booking, hotel booking. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, Just Dial Retailing its own model was an initial disruptor service serving as digital yellow page classified. So the answer of our eighth question is B, classified listening. Now the ninth question is companies can respond to varying global trade trends by. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, global testing and homologation of products. Now 10th question is rationale for rapid rise of unicorns in India. So these are the options. India's huge market-based private VC and PE investment into startups, capturing market share even at a loss, all of the above. So the answer of our 10th question is D, all of the above. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.